We all know Karens love to believe they're never wrong. But what happens when a Karen tries their luck against a judge and things still don't go to plan? In this video, we take a look at when 5 entitled Karens completely got sat back down. This Karen was arrested for violating state orders because she can't have it her way after failing to give her testimony.
Ma'am, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm the testimony you're about to provide will be the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth under penalty of perjury?
I would like to call...
Ma'am, stop. I know you want to control this room, but this isn't Burger King. When the sign changes to Burger King, you can have it your way. Right now, this is my courtroom, and you will answer my questions.
Under my fifth...
Ma'am, stop. Do you promise to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth under penalty of perjury? Yes or no? Are you going to tell the truth?
She then gets fined $7,500 and gets 93 days contempt of court. Take a look at her reaction.
In silence, I understand her attorney is on here. Where is her attorney?
Mr. J. Becker.
Again, say anything again without telling me you're going to tell the truth, and I will hold you in contempt of court for 93 days. Contempt carries with it 93 days and or $7,500. You will not act disrespectful in this court. Do you understand, ma'am? You certainly may remain silent. Where is your attorney?
An article later came out with the judge saying you have selfishly not followed the orders and you've not followed them for your own financial gain. She was later released from jail after closing her restaurant and paying a $15,000 contempt of court fine. Now, what happens when you have no understanding of the law, but think you can tell the judge how it works? Well, this lady's about to find out.
Find the case Nicoletti versus Stevens, case number 0672178
May it please the court, Your Honor. Paul Nicoletti appearing on behalf of myself.
Good afternoon, Judge. Karen Stevens in pro per for my motion for sanctions against Mr. Nicoletti for this vexatious and frivolous PPO.
I'm sorry, on this what?
I have a motion for sanctions against...
I know that. And the purpose of the sanctions are based on what?
It was a frivolous and vexatious PPO based on nonsense. I am not stalking Mr. Nicoletti.
I haven't signed a PPO.
His petition for a PPO. Let me...
Okay, were you served?
No, I wasn't, but may I...
No, you may not. How can you ask to sanction someone when you haven't even been served?
That's the point.
Stevens, do not interrupt me when I'm speaking, ma'am.
Her attitude and entitlement ends up landing her a $500 fine, but take a look at what happens next.
I have a constitutional right to be heard.
On what basis? There is no case before me, ma'am, other than the fact that you filed this frivolous motion taking up this court's time for no good reason other than your own personal vendetta against this man for whatever reason you may have, and I really don't care because it does not involve me or my court. However, had I issued a PPO, you would have a basis to be before me. I did not issue a PPO. He did not pursue his right to a hearing on the PPO. You were never served, and here you are taking up my time so that you want me to chastise him and make him pay money? No, ma'am. Your relief is denied, and in addition to that, I am sanctioning you with costs of $500 forthwith to the county clerk's office.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I knew it was fixed.
I beg your pardon?
I knew it was fixed.
Now, we've all seen window cleaners going up and down skyscrapers and thought, what if the cable broke? Well, this Karen made it happen. When she saw ropes outside her window, she decided to cut the rope out of anger. This made it impossible for the two men to get down. Luckily, a couple spotted the men and offered for them to come inside.
ตัดเชือกเทคแคร์นะโอเคดีๆแฟนก็ถามเขาทำอะไรดี
If found guilty, this Karen now faces up to 20 years in jail. However, she still denies attempting to assassinate the artist, saying she was only annoyed because she hadn't seen the maintenance notice. This Karen didn't want to cooperate with the judge during sentencing and landed herself 10 days contempt of court, but it's what she does next that nobody understands.
Go now.
For some reason, she tried to grab the judge, which landed her 120 days contempt of court, and now she faces charges a lot worse. Moving on, this Karen doesn't try her luck against the judge. Instead, she tries her luck at the coffee shop.
I am so sorry that 20 is all I have, but I just want you to know that you deserve so much more. Like, so much more. And I voted for Clinton, not that that's important, and like, I wouldn't tell you who to vote for, but obviously you had to vote for Clinton, like, too. But like, I voted for her, and she wants people to have so much more. Like, she wants a fairer wage. Like, I think even more than Bernie did, maybe, but I don't know, because I don't know them personally. Like, I don't know you personally, but you seem so
It's been going on for 10 minutes already.
And like, I am just so proud to be able to order a latte from like you, because you are just such an incredible human. And like, I want everything for you, like everything you want right now, like I want it.
Now she keeps on going, and it's clear that she's had something bad to be in this state.